Hey everyone! Welcome to this edition of What's New with CBT Nuggets. We've got a lot of new content this month, so let's dive in. First up, it's ServiceNow Certified Administrator CSA exam training with Sean Wassell. With this course, you'll master key features such as Form Builder, ACLs, Service Catalog, Flow Designer, workflows, and notifications. You'll also dive into instance setup, data visualization, email integration, access control, and automated onboarding. Along the way, you will reinforce concepts with step-by-step workflow tutorials you can actually implement in your own organization. This training is worth it to get first-hand practice managing users, data, and automation without breaking production. Earning this certification is essential to any further specialization inside the ServiceNow ecosystem, and ITSM teams highly value the skills this course teaches. Next, Bob Salmons brings us implementing and configuring Cisco Identity Services Engine training, which prepares you for the SISC 300-715 certification exam, one of the concentration exams for the CCNP Security Cert. Cisco's Identity Services Engine, or ISE, is a security policy management platform focused on controlling network access. The ISE is a total identity and access solution, protecting networks by authenticating users, devices, and connections. Implementing and configuring the ISE properly ensures secure network access, mitigates threats, and streamlines compliance while improving network visibility and contributing to overall efficiency. This course is designed for network engineers, security pros, and IT administrators who are responsible for network access control solutions and identity-based security policies. And finally, prepare for the 300-435 Inato V2 exam with this automating and programming Cisco Enterprise Solutions training from John McGovern. This update represents a major shift towards AI-driven operations and practical network automation skills. The new blueprint introduces a dedicated AI and automation domain, requiring you to master AI-assisted code development, understand security risks in AI solutions, and even build MCP servers to interface with AI agents. Beyond AI, the exam expands its focus on model-driven telemetry and webhook-based monitoring, while adding modern platforms like Cisco ThousandEyes and Meraki to the automation scope. By the end of this course, you'll be prepared to pass the Inato V2 exam and pursue your CCNP Automation or CCNP Enterprise certification. Thanks for watching! Subscribe here to get the latest from CBT Nuggets. And if you haven't yet, sign up for a free trial and see everything CBT Nuggets training has to offer.